Hello, what is your name?
Hello, I'm Gladys Almoza.
How old are you?
I'm 38 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm a Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
No, I'm a single mom.
Okay, do you have kids?
Yes, I have one daughter.
How old?
She's 7 years old.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
I've been working here in Hong Kong in 2 years.
Okay, do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes, I have experience in other countries, which in Taiwan.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current employer?
2 years.
Where's your employer living in?
Tai Koshing,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
760 square meter.
How many family members there?
They have 4 family.
Okay, so how many children?
They have 2 kids.
How old are they?
Boy is 7 years old and the girl is 10 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
Sometimes I woke up 10 minutes to 6 or 6 o'clock in the morning to prepare the lunch and the breakfast for the kids. And then I send them to the school early in the morning. And then after my employees are gone now, I'm going to do my duties. I clean, I ironing, I cook, and then I go also every day in the market. And then after that, I pick up the kids. And then after I pick up them in the school, I play with them, I talk with them, and also sometimes we go out for the playing in the outside. And then after that, I'm going to cook the dinner,
So what time you cook for the dinner?
7 to 7:30.
Okay. Okay, so what time they eat?
7:30.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
Sometimes I go sleep at 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so much.